Okay, here's a quick recording on how to do the CAD exports. So a lot of the jobs that are new will have the settings already set up, but on some jobs that are older like Santana Row, they don't have them. So what you do is you come up here, you go to New, and you open a new project with the project template. So what that'll do is it has two sessions going in Revit now. So you can now Control-Tab back to your original setting, come up here to Manage, and you're going to go to Transfer Project Standards. Where are you going to copy it from? Project 1. So check None, then come down here and you're going to just bring in the view templates. So those are listed here, boom, and hit OK. Some already exist, so just bring in the new only. And now we can go over here to the views. So I'm going to scroll down to our views. And you got your elevation views right here, which are all the 1/4 inch ones. So we're going to go over and grab all the 1/4 inch views. Hold down the Shift key, select them all, right click, and we're going to apply the view template. And we're going to use this 1/4 inch CAD export. Like that. Say yes. And that will apply the view templates to all of those views. Don't save the Revit file after you're done because it just will keep all those set to that. You don't want that. So once you've applied the view templates, come in here to Export, CAD Export, and DWG. You're going to need to bring in the layer settings. So you click on this button, come down here. So click this button. You're going to make a new export in this job. You're going to call it WWG. Then come up here, load layers from standard, load setting from file. Say yes. We're going to go to Revit. We're going to go to the S drive. And Revit, and at the bottom you're going to find the actual template which is shown here. So grab that and hit open. Now you have your layer settings. So now we'll hit OK. So that's our layer settings, and then we just have to grab the sheet. So we want to export certain sheets, so we're going to make a new set. We'll call it you can call it whatever you want. And then just, you only want sheets, so come down here and just grab sheets. Sheets in the model. And then come down and grab the sheets that you want. So in this case, I really want it just 201 through whatever the last one is, so I'll just grab a few here. Okay, we're going to save, set, and close. So now if I come back here, it'll be saved for me. So I go to Export, CAD, and DWG. And I've got the Revit CAD export. I've got the WWG. This is already set to the right elevation, so I just hit Next. And we'll put these in a target folder. For me, I'm just going to stick them in, let's see, stick them on the, let's see what we've got here. M drive. And we'll call it